morning. This is ABV from ABV DC store. We're running out of time. Time check. It's 11:25 of 05/03/2025. This is a rush order. So without no further ado, we're gonna check his unit. This is the SRK SK5. Same with my personal SRK. So let's check. This is a sealed unit. I'm gonna check if everything is okay. The edge is okay. The tip. So sir, thank you for purchasing. Thank you for waiting. So let's just final check this out before shipping it out to you. So sir, this is your unit. Let's check the edge, check the tip. Okay, let's check if the blade is straight. And okay, yeah, all good. So sir, thank you for purchasing, and yeah, thank you for ordering my ABV PLFG, which is the penetrating oil, and also 100% food safe. It's good for your all knives, pivots. You don't need to wipe it off. You can food prep using your knife when you use that. So this is sir your ABV PLFG in 20 ml. I'm gonna put it inside the box here. I think it's gonna fit just fine. Okay, so yes sir, thank you. This will be shipped to you right now, and priority booking. Sorry, this is my policy. I have that strict policy of checking the unit before heading out. So these are your stickers. I'm gonna give it to you. Thank you. And yeah, thank you sir.